Imagine yourself driving down the highway, enjoying the breeze in your hair, when all of a sudden, you get a pit in your stomach and look at your gasoline gauge. But do not worry, we are here to transform your fuel guzzler into a champion. Today, we're not just talking about your average car maintenance routine. We're unveiling the secrets that have been buried under the hood for far too long. From dirty fuel injectors to misbehaving oxygen sensors, we've got the inside scoop on the culprits behind your car's excessive thirst. And guess what? We've got the solutions that will have you laughing all the way to the gas pump, because your trips there will be fewer and farther between. Ladies and gentlemen, gearheads and fuel-conscious drivers, welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. Today, we're diving into the world of cheap, fun, and reliable wheels, and we're not holding back. Imagine a world where your car's fuel gauge stays steady, your wallet stays fuller, and your driving experience gets a turbocharged boost. Buckle up because we're about to take you on an electrifying adventure through the 7 ways to reduce high fuel consumption, effective solutions for better mileage. But wait, before you think this is just another boring car maintenance lecture, think again. We're taking a pit stop from the ordinary and speeding straight into the fast lane of wit, relatability, and creativity. Say goodbye to the frustration of high fuel costs and embrace the joy of more miles per gallon. Number 1. Clogged or damaged fuel injectors. Fuel faux pas. Welcome to the Fuel Efficiency Clinic, where we're diagnosing the sneaky culprits behind your car's high fuel consumption. First up on our list of gas-guzzling villains are the fuel injectors. Those unsung heroes responsible for delivering fuel with pinpoint accuracy to each engine cylinder. Think of them as the culinary artists of your car's engine, crafting the perfect fuel-air mixture for combustion. But what happens when these artists get a little too creative with their patterns, spraying fuel like a modern art masterpiece? A poorly pressurized showerhead might come to mind, one that sprays water in all directions, except where it's supposed to go. In the car world, this translates to inefficient fuel spray patterns, resulting in wasted fuel and decreased engine efficiency. The takeaway here? Regular maintenance of your fuel injectors is crucial. Keep them clean and in proper working order to ensure that fuel is delivered precisely, where and when it's needed. So next time you're at the gas pump wondering where all your money is going, remember to give your fuel injectors the attention they deserve. Number 2. Old engine air filter. Breathing easy. Let's dive into the heart of your car's engine, the realm of combustion and power. Just like we need clean air to breathe, your engine craves fresh, unpolluted air for its combustion process. This is where the engine air filter steps in, acting as a bouncer for airborne contaminants and allowing only pure air to flow in. Now, imagine walking into a stuffy room with no ventilation. You'd feel suffocated, right? Well, that's exactly how your engine feels when the engine air filter gets clogged or dirty. It struggles to breathe, causing it to work harder and burn more fuel to compensate. The result? Reduced fuel efficiency and strain on your wallet. To keep your engine breathing easily and your fuel consumption in check, make sure to change your engine air filter at the recommended intervals. Don't let your car suffer from identity crisis. Let it be the breathing champion it was meant to be. Number 3. Dirty oxygen sensor. The sensitive sniffer. It's time to meet the Sherlock Holmes of your car's exhaust system, the oxygen sensor. This little detective's job is to analyze the gases coming out of your engine, determining whether the air-fuel mixture is too rich or too lean. It plays a vital role in maintaining optimal fuel efficiency and engine performance. But what happens when our detective's senses get dulled by dirt or grime? Well, imagine trying to identify gourmet cuisine while wearing a blindfold. You might end up mistaking filet mignon for a fast food burger. Similarly, a dirty oxygen sensor can cause your car's computer to make incorrect fuel adjustments, causing your engine to guzzle more fuel than necessary. In newer cars, oxygen sensors have become essential components since 1996, contributing significantly to fuel efficiency improvements. However, if these sensors aren't kept clean and accurate, your car's mileage could take a hit. So, make sure your oxygen sensors are in top shape to keep your engine's detective work sharp and your fuel consumption in check. Number 4. Clogged fuel filter. Fuel traffic jam. Imagine your car's engine is a bustling metropolis. and fuel is the lifeblood that keeps everything moving smoothly. Enter the fuel filter, the traffic cop of this urban jungle. Its job is to catch any impurities or contaminants that might disrupt the flow of clean fuel, ensuring only the good stuff reaches the engine. But what if this traffic cop goes rogue and decides to let all the debris pass through? Well, it's like having a parade of garbage trucks block the main road. Your engine's power gets choked, and its performance suffers. It's not just a traffic jam, it's a fuel traffic jam, and it's not good for your mileage. Regularly changing your fuel filter is like ensuring smooth traffic flow in your engine city. It prevents contaminants from causing congestion, allowing your engine to operate at its full potential and sip fuel with grace. Alright, fellow fuel savers, quick pop quiz. If your car's engine was a character in a movie, who would it be? A smooth-talking spy, an overworked chef, or a stand-up comedian with a quirky sense of humor? Drop your answers in the comments, and let's keep the conversation rolling as we dive into the next fuel-saving secret. Number 5. Bad ignition system parts. Spark it up. Picture your car's ignition system as a symphony conductor, orchestrating the elegant dance of combustion. The key players, coils, spark plugs, and wires. The virtuosos responsible for sparking the fiery tango that propels your car forward. But what if these performers decide to throw in some off-key notes? Mistakes happen, and they're like dancers stepping on each other's toes. Unburned fuel gets wasted, and your gas mileage takes a nosedive. It's like buying a ticket to a Broadway show, only to find out the cast forgot their lines. When the ignition system's components misbehave, your engine's performance suffers, and your wallet bears the brunt. Regular maintenance, especially when it comes to spark plugs, is the way to keep the combustion symphony in perfect harmony and your fuel consumption in check. Number 6. Old or incorrect engine oil. Thick versus thin. Here's a myth that needs busting: the notion that older cars should be treated to thicker engine oil to prevent leaks. It sounds logical. After all, older engines might have a few wrinkles, just like we do as we age. But when it comes to your car's health, thicker isn't necessarily better. Think of specially formulated high-mileage engine oils as a skincare routine for your engine. They're like rejuvenating creams for seals and gaskets, helping them stay supple and flexible. Thicker oil, on the other hand, can create resistance between engine parts, leading to decreased fuel efficiency. It's all about balance, keeping your engine lubricated and your fuel efficiency intact. So, while it is important to take care of your car's aging components, remember that the right oil in the right amounts is the true secret to a youthful engine. Number 7. Dirty Mass Airflow Sensor. Sensor Spa Day. Let's talk about the mass airflow sensor, the engine's equivalent of a personal air quality monitor. This sensor measures the air coming into your engine, ensuring the perfect air-fuel mixture for combustion. It's like your car's own mixologist, creating the cocktail that powers your ride. But what if this mixologist's senses are dulled by dirt and grime? You end up with a concoction that's either too rich or too lean, and your engine's performance suffers. It's like asking a chef to cook blindfolded. The results might not be as appetizing as you'd hope. A dirty mass airflow sensor can lead to decreased fuel efficiency and engine stalls, leaving you stranded at the culinary crossroads. To keep your engine's mixologist on point, give it a spa day with some specialized cleaning spray and watch your fuel efficiency soar as your car enjoys the perfect blend of air and fuel. And there you have it, my fuel-efficient friends, the roadmap to smoother rides, more miles, and a wallet that stays pleasantly plump. Remember, keeping your car happy doesn't just save you money, it's your way of giving Mother Earth a little high five too. But hey, don't just leave your car dancing solo on the fuel-saving beat. Be sure to hit that subscribe button below. Join the Car Computer Exchange crew for more quirky car tips, engaging insights, and of course, a dash of that signature wit you've come to love. Let's keep the gas-saving party going, one well-maintained engine at a time.